Kreations, how are ya? Come on in. I got a quick craft for you guys. And I thought, you know what? Why not come live and do it with you guys? So it's inexpensive. It's something you can do with the kids. I'm just trying to find the live right here. Here we go. All right. So when you come on, say hello. Let me see. I haven't even... Hey, Becky Jones. How are you, girl? Hey, Kim Weaver. Hey, Michelle. I have not even turned on my computer today. I just got to crafting. I filled a couple orders this morning. I still have a boatload to fill, but I needed to craft. I felt like I needed to design something. So here I am. No warning, just out of the blue. I was sitting here. I started doing an inexpensive, easy craft. And 4th of July is right around the corner. So I thought, you know what? The kids are home. You guys can gather them around the kitchen table. You know, give them a couple scarves each. They're $1 from the Dollar Tree. I got this styrofoam ring for $2 at Walmart. Actually, 2 came in them. Okay, so they're $1 a piece. I got it on clearance. I'm just trying to see if... There's my computer. My computer was sleeping for a moment. Hey, Diana. Hey, Deborah. Hey, Rose. Hey, Doris. Hey, Cindy. Hey, Susan. You guys know what to do. Spread the love. Just because this is, you know, a spontaneous, that's the word, spontaneous live, I thought I'd come on here. You still spread the love. I'm still going to give away Happy Mail. All right, so I want to tell you what I did. So like I said, I got this 12-inch wreath, styrofoam wreath frame, Walmart. 2 came in a package. It was $2 on clearance, okay? So $1 for the frame. I went to Dollar Tree and I got scarves. Patriotic scarves. They come, let me show you the patterns. Flag. They had some fireworks one. I got to turn off the volume. There we go. Pull up Facebook. There we go. So they had all different patterns to choose from. They had this one as well with stars and stripes on there. So I took all 3 patterns, okay? What I did was, stars, Kim Weaver gave me stars. Kim Weaver gave me stars. Thank you, Kim. I appreciate it. Woohoo! Yes. Sweet Connie McCormick, how are you feeling, love? I was thinking of you this morning. I didn't want to bother you. I was going to text you, but I didn't want to bother you. All right. So what I did was I cut this 23 inches, and then I cut them into about an inch, inch and a half width, okay? As you can see, okay, they're not clean cut. I like that torn and tattered look, okay? It's almost like a rag wreath, okay? Same concept, okay? And I'm just not going in any order, just a random. Thank you for floating my boat. I love that expression. I love that. Hey, Pamela. Hey. Hey, Ashley. Hey, Cecilia. So I'm not going in any pattern. And I'm telling you, this is something simple the kids can do. You can give them kids scissors. Okay, give them little kids, whoops. Give them little kids scissors. You can measure it for them. Or really, you don't have to measure. I'm not a measurer. I mean, when I cut it, you'll see me. I have to cut a few more. I'm not really measuring. I'm just cutting what I think is about an inch, inch and a half. And 23 inches, you know. Thank you, Cindy, for the stars. Thank you, Ashley, for the stars. Cindy and Ashley, thank you for the stars. Thank you for the stars. You guys are freaking awesome. Hey, Yvette, how are you? Perfect timing, going to visit the grandkids this weekend. Awesome, Sherry. All right, so like I said, you cut it 23 inches each scarf, okay? So I cut them into patterns. I have the flag. I have these right there, and this one goes over here. So I have 3 piles of 3. Love it. Hey, Amy. So all you're going to do, guys, is just fold them in half, okay? That's all you're doing. It's folding in half. You're going to bring it around your styrofoam frame and pull. That's it. Think it. Your kids can do this. Your youngest to your oldest teenager can do this. They can hang it on their door. They can hang it outside. I mean, stinking easy, guys. I mean, I can't even tell you how easy this craft. And not only is it easy, inexpensive. So I have $4. $4 in this. So if you have like 3 kids or something, you're spending less than $15 on materials. And just hang it on your door. I mean, look how stinking cute that is. Good morning. There's my girl, Jennifer. How are you, love? All right, so I want to cut this tag off. So I don't sell these in my shop. These are, like, this is something that I would give to, like, across the street, there's a little 3-year-old, right? This is something I would give her and, like, give her the materials to make, and her mommy can make it. I think it's just a quick, it's an easy, inexpensive craft to make. Mothers cut the first slice and let the kid... Yeah, you can rip them apart too. See, I like all that fraying. Can you see the fraying I have here? I love all that fraying that's going on there. Love that. Yes, definitely, Kim. Your granddaughter and son would love to do this. Okay, and when you hang it, all the frays just hang like that. You can actually do a dream catcher. If you had a doily. Now, I did this one time, okay? So you take some material... And you put a doily in the background so it looks like the catcher part of the dream catcher, and then you let the materials hang. It's an easy way to make your homemade dream catcher. There's tons of ideas in this head, tons. And I'm not able to do crafts that much because I'm constantly making wreaths and bows and putting kits together, getting orders out. But today I felt like my creative juices were stifled. I was like, listen, I need just to be creative. And not that this is so creative, but it's fun, it's easy, it's mindless. You know, it's just what I needed, you know. Thank you for spreading the love. I appreciate it. Hey, Teddy. How are you, girl? Hey, Anita. Hey, Katie. What's happening? I saw someone had a question. Thank you, Cindy. Y'all, post office is upsetting me. No happy mail today. I don't know what to tell you. I will have to, yeah. Hey, Debbie. Where did I get the materials? All right, so the styrofoam frame came from Walmart. Okay, it was on clearance. I don't know if I have another one near me. Oh, I do, look. So this is how it comes. Okay, it was in the clearance section. There's 2 of them in here. Okay, and I got it for $2. So this frame cost me $1. You can get them at the Dollar Tree also. They have styrofoam frames there as well. I got the scars from the Dollar Tree, so each one cost $1. Okay, and I think I bought 3. I bought 3 of them. And I think that's enough to do this small wreath. But I wanted to show you this. Hey, Beverly, how are ya? Super easy, super simple, and super inexpensive. You could put a bow on here if you wanted to. I'm going to have to cut more of these. So let me show you how I cut them real fast, okay? Hey, Jan, how are ya? Yeah, 3 scarves from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I have the flags, I have the stars, and then I have this pattern as well. Okay, so I cut them 23 inches. Okay, not this one. But we're going to use that. I'm not going to let that go, all right? And then this is all I do. I cut them about 1 inch wide, okay? Take my scissors, and you see I'm not measuring. So if it's 1.5 inches, if it's 2 inches wide, not a big thing, guys. I mean, honestly, don't sweat the small stuff, okay? I don't have time to be measuring and doing all that. You guys know that when I make my wreaths or I do my bows, I'm not really measuring, you know? So why would I do that for this inexpensive craft? You just want to have a good time, mindless, don't have to think. Just get to it and design, have fun with the kiddos, your grandkids. It's the summer, you want to think of projects. If you want to go to the clearance department of Hobby Lobby, if your son has, you know, sports, you can do a sports theme, buy some clearance fabric, and he can make himself one for his bedroom. You can, you know, do a dream catcher if he wants, or do this type of wreath. Get some scarves if you want to do a summer one. Get some. You don't even have to use scarves. I just use scarves because they were inexpensive. You know, they were $1. But I mean, you can use materials. So we have them cut. You know. All right. My granddaughter always wants to help. This would be great. This is perfect for her. Absolutely. Hey, Barbara. Hey, Donna. Hey, Rose. Still creative. Absolutely. So I am going to give this to my next door neighbor. She has a little boy who's about 4 or 5 and a little girl who's about 2 or 3. And, you know, whenever we're chit-chatting, I'm talking with her mom or whatever, you know, they always see, like, my front porch is always done and everything, and they're always giving compliments. So I'm going to go over there and give them this, and I'm going to give them both. I have that, those 2 new styrofoam frames, and I have some more of these scarves. So I'm going to give them to them and let them just create. So it's going to be fun. Internet is crappy again. Oh, no bueno. That's no good. Well, you guys have the concept of this design, okay? So I'm just going to finish it all around. I'll take a picture when I'm done, and I definitely will post it. Hey, Darlene. Super. I'm going to maybe put a bow on it. I might not. I'm not sure. I might do a rag bow, like not a real rag bow where I'm making them stiff, just like a simple non-rag, you know, non-stiff rag bow. Okay. More of maybe a refab, like a brook bow or something. I will do. Simple and pretty, yep. Can you cut the ends? Absolutely. You can do whatever you want. If you want these shorter, absolutely cut them shorter. I mean, it's your design. You do what you want. Absolutely. There are no rules. Have you not met me? There are no rules in design. No. Dollar Tree. Absolutely. Hey, Brenda. You can tear them. You can cut them. Whatever you want. So I cut them and they're still fraying nicely. They have a nice look about them. But if you tore them, absolutely. Not a problem. Hey, Tia. Sprinkle, thank you so much for Happy Meal. Oh, you're welcome, girl. Where did I get the chair? My chair? Wayfair. Online. And let me tell you, it has like this back support, this lumbar support that is freaking awesome. I just got it a couple weeks ago. What, Ma?
I'm ready. I tried calling.
Okay, I'm on a quick live. I'm going to be just one moment. That's my mom. She's ready to go. Okay. Well, she just told me to take my time. Okay. Usually it takes about an hour to get ready. I thought I had a little more time. But you see how this is coming together? Really, really cute. And look, just $3. 3 scarves. That's all you needed. Marina, thank you for the stars. 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 I appreciate that. Oh, Valerie, you're welcome for the Happy Mail, girl. You are welcome. I'm glad some of you are getting the Happy Mail. I don't know what's going on here. This postal service, I mean, we got to show them, hey, Lois, how are you? We got to show them some grace, guys. Honestly, the postal service, you know, they're doing the best they can, you know, with the staff they have, you know. So, we have to show some grace. So, if you haven't gotten your Happy Mail yet, just be patient. Just be patient, okay? Now, if let's say you didn't have enough scarves, like I have enough to finish this, but let's say you didn't, you could put a bow right here, right in this spot right here, and cover this up. Do I have a Patriotic bow handy? Oh, I do, right here, look. I made this in my private design group. This one. Look how fabulous this would look. And I'm just going to temporarily wrap it around. Look how great that would look. Do I have the bow straight? Nice, simple design for 4th of July. People say, I don't have the money for a wreath. Listen, guys, what's wrong with this? Seriously, patriotic stars and stripes. Got a cute bow on it. Inexpensive. The kids would love this. Love, love, love. Right? So I just wanted to come on here, show you a quick and easy, inexpensive design wreath that you can make with your kids, your grandkids. If you're a babysitter, a nanny, and you have kids for the summer and you need projects, this is a great one. Okay, guys? I hope you have a fabulous Wednesday. Don't forget, spread the love. And I'll be back tonight, 8 p.m., okay? Eastern Standard Time on Krazy Mazie Kreations. I hope you have a fabulous day, guys. Spread some love. Bye.